Hi, and welcome to day one of the Mystery Shopper Challenge. I'm genuinely so excited that you're here. My name is Cassandra, and I'm going to be doing the next 15 days with you. You signed up for this challenge because something in you was curious. Maybe it was the idea of getting free meals, or making errands a little bit more fun, or maybe earning something extra without adding any stress. And honestly, that's exactly what mystery shopping is. It's a very low pressure way to turn your everyday moments into income. So today we're starting from the very beginning. Okay, so now let's talk about what mystery shopping really is, because once you understand the purpose behind it, the whole process makes so much more sense. Mystery shopping is basically when companies hire everyday people to evaluate their customer experience. You are not acting like some undercover agent. You simply show up as a completely normal customer, just like you do every day, but you're paying a little bit more attention than you usually would. So for example, you might be looking at, was the cashier friendly? Did they get your order right? How long did the line take? How many people were in the line? Was the store clean? Did you feel welcomed? Companies need this information because they can't fix what they don't know, and they want you to have a great experience. So instead of sending someone obvious, they'd rather have someone like you, someone who blends right in. And here's the part that I love. It's regular people who are doing this, not professionals, not trained inspectors, just people who are living their lives and probably would be shopping there anyway. Now, let's talk about why people actually do mystery shopping, because the motivation is different for everyone. Some people do it because they want a free coffee or they want a free lunch once a week. Some people do it because it turns boring errands into something kind of fun, like doing a side quest. Some people use it as a way to explore their city. I know I do this when I'm going on vacation or traveling. It's a great way to try more restaurants. Some like the feeling of structure, and some like the feeling of just being in the know. And some people just want a small, steady stream of income. The key thing to know is this. Mystery shopping is not a full-time job, it's not a part-time job, it's not a hustle that's gonna take over your life. It's like a little sprinkle, a bonus. It's a little income enhancer that sits gently in the background of your real life that you can tap into anytime you need a little free something or a little income upgrade. So what will this challenge help you do? The next 15 days are designed to take you from I've never heard of mystery shopping to actually being able to complete a shop and feeling confident about doing it. We're breaking down everything into the smallest possible steps so that you'll never feel overwhelmed. You're going to learn how to sign up with legitimate companies, how to understand job boards, how to apply for your first shop, yay, how to complete it with confidence, even more yay, how to submit the reports, how to track your earnings, how to stay organized, and how to make mystery shopping fit your life naturally. This is probably the most critical thing because people who don't know how to fit it into their life usually don't do it. By day 15, you're going to be thinking to yourself, okay, this is easy. I can do this and it makes sense for my life. So all right, enough chit chat. Let's get into your very first action. Today, we're going to be creating your mystery shopping identity. This is a separate email and payment space that keeps everything organized and clean. This is really important because once you get going, you're going to have a load of details. Today, you're going to do two things. Number one, create a new Gmail just for mystery shopping. I would recommend picking something not related to mystery shopping at all so that you can use it for mystery shops, right? So think like your pet's name and your favorite number. Mine would be Alfie26@gmail.com. There's Alfie behind me. I don't know if you can see him. This is where all of your job offers, confirmations, assignments, and reports will go. It keeps your personal inbox peaceful so you're not getting all these notifications and makes managing everything so much easier. We don't want to use your first name, last name mystery shopping, for example, because if you do have to sign up for a mystery shop that requires a reservation, like a hotel audit or something like that, we don't want them to know that you're a mystery shopper, right? Makes sense. And then the second step is to use that same email to set up a PayPal account. Almost every mystery shopping company pays through PayPal. Either their reimbursements, bonuses, or the shop pay, it will all go through PayPal. Sometimes they will have other options as well, like Venmo or Cash App or direct to your bank account, ACH transfer. But PayPal is the most common, so let's just get it set up now. When you finish setting up those two things, comment day one done below this video, and tomorrow we're setting up your earnings tracker. And trust me, this becomes your favorite part once you get started because you get to watch your progress build. I'm so excited that you're doing this, and let's keep going. After this, I'm going to do exactly what I just told you, the actions and practice steps. So if you want a little bit more of a step-by-step tutorial, feel free to stick around. Otherwise, comment when you're done, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so we're just here at the Google Create an Account screen. So you would sign out or just click Add an Account if you're already signed into Google. Go here, click Create Account. I'm not going to go through this whole process with you because I have enough emails, I think. But you would just put in your first name, last name. It can be your real information. But remember, when you're creating the email address itself, that we don't want to call out that we're being a mystery shopper, right? So some great suggestions would be like your pet's name and your favorite number, or your street name and what year it is. Any sort of like combination of something that's going to be easy for you that's not related to mystery shopping. Because again, sometimes you'll use your information for a reservation, and we don't want to like tip the people off that you're a mystery shopper because that defeats the whole purpose. So let's not do that. Once you have created your email address, go over to PayPal, and we're just going to click sign up with PayPal. You are going to click personal, because that's what you are. You're just a person. Same for the Gmail account. When you're creating that account, you can also click personal. You're not a business. You don't need to pay for Google Workspace, so free is better. Click personal when you're doing Google, and click personal here for PayPal as well. And then you would just use that same email that you just used to create on Google to sign up with your PayPal, and that's it for today. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This should take you less than 10 minutes. See you tomorrow.